Hello children of DAV Moil Public School Sita Savangi. This is Aarti Agrari, your teacher welcomes you all on e-learning class. Standard 3rd, subject is science and our topic is food part 2. So children, let's start. You know very well, food is one of the basic necessity of life. Plant and animal provide us food in various forms. And we have also learned that there are many types of plant on the earth. They provide us many forms of food materials. Some of the food are eaten raw and some are cooked before eating. I taught you we eat different types of parts of plant. For example, seed. The seed of some plants like wheat and rice are part of our daily food. We make chapati from wheat and corn and idli, dosa, etc. from rice. Pulses are also form of seed. Pulses means dal that we often take in lunch and dinner is made up of seed of particular plants. We boil and eat. For example, pulses of chana, moong, lentil, etc. And nuts. We often enjoy munching nuts like peanut, walnut, cashew nuts, and almonds. Nuts provide us lots of energy and keep our body warm. After this, we are going to learn parts of plant which we eat is leaf. Do you eat leaf of plant, children? For example, we eat tulsi because tulsi is medicinal plant, है ना? So we eat different types of leaves like cabbage, fenugreek, spinach, etc. We eat leaves of different plants. Leaf of spinach, fenugreek, cabbage and mustard are cooked before eating. These are called green vegetables and it is good for our health. They protect us from disease. Leaves of coriander, mint and curry plant are used for garnishing and flavoring our food. So children, eat fresh leafy vegetable. Now we are going to learn about stem. We eat different parts of plant including stem. For example, I am showing some pictures to you. See carefully and tell me what is this. This is onion. And this is potato. Children like so much potato. What is this? This is ginger. Okay. And what is this? This is Kamal Kakdi. This is aquatic plant because it grow on aqua water. Is this root or stem? Think about it. Is potato is stem? Is Kamal Kakdi's stem? Yes or no? Potato is very common food used all over the world. It is nothing but the underground stem of its plant. Other stems which are often eaten are onion, ginger, and stem of lotus means kamal kakdi. Now see what is this? Is this stem or root? This is turnip. Now think, this is stem or root? Children, this is root and this is not stem. The roots of some plants are used as food. These roots can be eaten raw or cooked. You must have eaten carrot, radish, turnip, and beetroots. All these are roots of their plants. Now we will learn about fruits. Fruit keep us fit and healthy. They protect us from disease. We all like to eat fruits. Sweets and juicy fruits like mangoes, oranges, grapes, muskmelon, and watermelon are eaten raw. Some fruits are cooked and eaten as vegetables. Brinjal, ladyfinger, and tomato are some such fruits. Tomato are eaten raw as well as cooked. So, children, remember brinjal, ladyfinger, and tomato are fruits. Children, we will discuss food from animal in next class. Thank you. Bye. Have a nice day.